Hello, I'm WBZ TV meteorologist Barry Burbank, and I've got your forecast for the next several days and into perhaps looking at next weekend as well. In fact, right from the get-go, let's take a peek at what next weekend might be. I want to show you that first because there is a potential for a very significant heat wave coming up. We've had it pretty good so far this month of June. It's been really nice with just brief bursts of any higher humidity and, for the most part, very comfortable conditions this month of June so far. But it looks like as we conclude June and start July, it's going to be really hot. This looks like there wants to be a great big high-pressure center building in here. It's a giant dome of high pressure, which will trigger this heat wave development. With the jet stream far off to the northwest, we are clearly going to be in a hot air mass. We'll have to wait and see and get another couple runs of the computer to see if that is going to be the situation, make sure that's going to happen. Right now, it's not a terribly high confidence forecast, but I'm leaning in this direction for starting Friday when it turns hot. Well, going back and looking at the number of 90-degree days we've had over in Boston for the last several years, the big years were 2013 and 2016, and the lean years were 2014. We only had 8, and so far we've only had 1. At this time last year, we'd already had 7 days, but it looks like we could add a few days onto that, at least 3, if this heat wave does materialize starting Friday and through next weekend. How hot could it get in this situation? Well, with that giant high building, the potential exists. Again, it's just not etched in stone yet, but the potential exists for it to be near 100. Potentially 97 to a little bit over 100 in many locations, except, of course, in the Cape and the Islands, South Coast. Last time it hit 100 degrees in Boston, it actually hit 103 degrees back in July 22nd, 2011, and just before that in 2010, on July 7th, we had it at 100 degrees. So we'll see if this all materializes, but it's all preliminary at this point. So far, we know that June has been a really very, very nice month. It was a little bit below average yesterday, and we'll be a little below average today by actually more than 5 degrees because of the fact we've got the clouds around and we got a chance of those showers from time to time. So we had a slew of pictures coming in from viewers this morning, and they all shared, a lot of them shared their pictures with us, like this one from Chelsea Scanner from Admiral's Hill in Chelsea. At sunrise this morning, it was absolutely glorious, but it was just momentary, and after that, it just became overcast, and that's what we have. Cloud cover with scattered showers today, and we are in the cool corner of the country again. Have I said that before? Well, we are for sure today, but we will not likely be in the cool corner next weekend, I can tell you that. Most of the nation has pretty nice summery conditions for this first weekend of summer. And for us, we got this disturbed area which has to move through. You can see the rain which is falling here and there, but it's not a widespread shield of rain. Typically, that doesn't happen this time of the year. We just had showery conditions, patches of showers. And some of the heaviest rain of the whole weekend on Cape Cod happening this morning, and then that batch of rain will move out to sea. Meantime, other batches of showers will form. There might be isolated thunder, but I'm not expecting any severe weather today. A few local downpours may happen, a few scattered showers from time to time and place to place. But it looks like, again, a lot of the time it will not be raining. Additional scattered showers may form overnight. Some may happen on the Cape. But tomorrow it looks like just kind of a cloudy day, areas of fog in the morning as it's turning more humid, especially on the Cape and the South Coast. And then during the day, it's going to start to brighten up. By midday, we're going to see some sunshine penetrating through the cloud cover, patches of sunshine yielding thunderstorm development in the afternoon, north and west of Boston. Note there'll be nothing over southeastern Mass, but these thunderstorms, a few of these could be on the heavy side as we get into late in the afternoon, especially tomorrow evening as they collapse into Boston, and then we're in for a much drier day on Monday. So hopefully we'll get some worthwhile rain out of this for our lawns and gardens. The whole landscape needs rain. The lawns are dying up, the gardens need the water, and we've been abnormally dry for quite a while now. Not considered a moderate drought yet, but considered abnormally dry, so we need some of that rain, and hopefully we'll get some worthwhile rain in spots from these showers passing by. But I think they'll be able to get the game at Fenway Park this evening. First pitch is at 7:15. Be prepared for a passing shower or two, but it isn't going to be raining all the time, around 62. And then tomorrow afternoon's game, 78 to 80, actually will be warming up as we go through the game. This will be the temperature at first pitch. Some late afternoon, evening thunderstorms, but by then the game should be all over with. So that's the deal on that. For the beach and boating, today's not a good beach day at all, with the showers scattered around. Not raining all the time, but some passing showers here and there. We've got a high tide coming up this evening at about 8:50 or close to 9 o'clock. So the Cape clearly gets most of its rain this morning. A few other showers may happen through the weekend later today, but not much of any rain tomorrow, as it turns partly sunny during the day after cloudy, murky, perhaps foggy start, 75. If you're going to the lakes and mountains this weekend, you'll find showers up there both days and mostly in the 60s both days, although tomorrow should be a little bit warmer in the low and middle 70s perhaps in parts of the mountains and lakes region up north tomorrow. And then on Monday, the dry air takes over, passing puffy clouds and sunshiny spells and maybe an isolated shower. It gets breezy. The air's much drier after a muggy day tomorrow. My pick day of the week is Tuesday. Should be sunny and lovely, around 80 with wall-to-wall sunshine and a nice breeze. Warming up to 85 with a gustier wind on Wednesday. It'll be cooler on the Cape. And then we're getting more humid on Thursday with some showers and storms in the morning. After that, the heat and humidity starts to build in on Friday and may get super hot next weekend and the beginning of the following week. That is your forecast for now. Have a great weekend.